then not at all. We were chasing stars across the county lines, two imperfect pieces with our fingers intertwined, and I would do it all again.